Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you step by step on how to troubleshoot login problems with your SEMrush account. Login issues can be frustrating, but following these steps can help you regain access quickly and securely. Step 1. Check your login credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email address and password associated with your SEMrush account. Double-check for any typos or extra spaces. Step 2. Reset your password if needed. If you're unsure about your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link on the login page. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email to create a new password. Step 3. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes old data can interfere with logging in. Clearing your cache ensures that your browser is loading the most recent version of the SEMrush site. Step 4. Try a different browser or device. If clearing the cache doesn't work, attempt to log in using another browser or device to rule out browser-specific issues. Step 5. Check your internet connection and firewall settings. A slow or restricted connection may prevent login. Make sure SEMrush is not blocked by your firewall or network settings. Step 6. Verify two-factor authentication if enabled. If you have 2FA on your account, ensure that you are entering the correct code from your Authenticator app or using your backup codes. Step 7. Contact SEMrush support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to SEMrush's customer support. Provide details of the problem, including any error messages you see, to get assistance quickly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most SEMrush logging issues and access your account safely. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful tutorials.